Hello friends, in this video we will see another problem based on the direction and distance test. Okay, so the problem is Rajni started to move in the direction of northeast and moved 10 under root 2 meters. After this, he turned to the south, and moved 10 meters. 10 meters. Then he turned to his left and moved 12 meters. In the end, he turned to his right and moved 7 meters. So now, how far is he from his starting point? Starting point, and in what direction? And in what direction? Okay. So this is the problem given. Okay. First of all, we see the basic direction diagram we will draw. So this is north, south, east, west, and this is northeast, and this is northwest, this is southeast, and this is southwest. Okay. So now Rajni started in a direction of northeast. So he moved in the direction of northeast. Okay. So north, if he started here, he moved in this direction, right? So let us assume he started from here and moved in the northeast direction. So from this direction, right? So he moved in this direction, okay, and traveled how much distance? 10 root 2. So 10 root 2 meters he traveled, and after that, from there, after he turned to the south, okay, after that he turned to the south. South is in which direction? So this direction. So from here, he started to move in the direction of the south, okay, and moved 10 meters, right? Here he moved 10 meters. Okay, so then he turned to his left. So if he is moving this direction, so left is this side. Okay, and moved 12 meters. So from here he moved 12 meters. Okay, so in the end he turned to his right. So he is moving in this direction. So his right side is going to be downwards. Okay, so moved in the right direction and moved 7 meters. So from here he moved 7 meters. Okay, so and reached this end point. Okay, let us assume this is the P and Q, R and S, and this is the T point. So now we have to find how far he is from the starting point. So that means we have to find this distance. Okay, so now he is in which direction? If this is the starting point and he is in the southeast direction, so he is in the southeast direction. So that means the direction is southeast direction, and now we have to find the distance he traveled. So for that I will write this one. Okay, so I will connect this one. So if you observe this one, so this is the 90 degrees. Okay, so this is the 90 degrees. So this is the what? It is a right angle triangle. So that means here we have the lengths of the diagonal and one side. So we have to find the value of this PR. So when we know this length and this length, by again using the Pythagoras theorem, we can find the length of the PT. Okay. So now let's take, so here from this PQR triangle, we have PQ square is equal to QR square plus RP square. So from this, RP square is equal to PQ square minus QR square. So RP is equal to how much? RP is equal to PQ square, PQ square. So that is 10 root 2 square. 10 square is 100, root 2 is 2 minus QR square. QR square is going to be how much? So 10 square is 100. So that means RP square is equal to 100. So that is going to be RP is equal to 10 meter. So that is RP is equal to 10 meter. So that means this one is how much? So 10 meters we got. So this is 10 meters and this is the 12 meters. The total distance this one is 22 meters. And this distance is 7 meters. Okay, this distance is 7 meters. So what is the distance of PT? So again this is the right angle triangle. Okay, again this one is a right angle triangle. So P as T. So here we are making, here it is making 90 degrees, right? So that means PT square is equal to PS square plus ST square. So PT square is going to be equal to PS square. PS is how much? 22 meters. So 22 square plus ST. ST is how much? So 7 square. So PT square is equal to 22 square plus 7 square. So 22 square is going to be how much? 484 and plus 7 square is 49. So if you combine these two, we will get 533. So 533. So P, this is equivalent to PT square. So from this we will get PT is equal to under the root of 533 meters. Okay, 533 meters. So from the starting point, he is at a distance of under root 533 meters in southeast direction. In southeast direction. Okay. So I hope you got this one. Thank you very much for watching this video and please subscribe to my channel.